All right, welcome. We are going to be taking a look at Mallary AI. This is a social media automation API software. I'd like to go in and take a look at traffic so far. It looks like they've got about 11,000 per month, so they've got a nice little start there. They do have and developers that are using the software. So essentially, this integrates with all of your large language models and your AIs that you're already using, and you'll be able to basically, it kind of has a chart right over here, post to all these social media platforms using the AI tools that you are already using. So essentially, it can speed up the process to make social media posts and post to those platforms. But then also something that is unique that I'm going to test out is it should be able to gather comments and reply to people that are commenting on your posts on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, all that. And it should be able to actually those and reply to comments, which is actually very, very interesting that I haven't really seen in other softwares, especially with like an automation with API and so forth. So that's the software right over here. There will be a link below if you want to go and test it out for free. I'll come over here. They do have a 14-day free trial, and then they have a starter is $12 a month. The pro is $29 a month, and the business is $99 per month. So we're going to be testing out the MCP with Claude today. So I'm going to go in here and we will take a look at, this is what the dashboard will look like. I am on a pro account right over here. So I basically get unlimited right here. And that's what the dashboard looks like. You can come in here to compose, and you can actually use this to go and post. And I've already tested this out. For example, if I come over here to posts, click on posts. I've already created this post back on August 3rd, right over here. So you can see I created this inside of here and then posted it from Mallary. And then we can actually go, I got 55 views, 2 likes, 1 comment. You can go in and click on this and it'll actually open up the post and it'll show you on X that it did, in fact, to get the views right there, the comment, it was actually my own comment right there, and the 2 likes right there. Okay, so that's, you can completely manage your social media from inside of Mallary. There's also a calendar view right over here as well. And you can go out, if we go into compose, we can actually come in here and we can schedule posts right over here. So it's definitely, first and foremost, it's a great social media and all those platforms you saw scheduler. You can just use this as your scheduler, just like a lot of other softwares that I have new and reviewed over the years. So you can literally, if nothing else, use this as a really good scheduler. But that's not where it stops. There's just so much you can do. You have different profiles right over here. And this is where you can go and create a new profile. So this profile should be, under LearnWire, and I would create this into LearnWire and add those. You also have all your platforms that you're connecting right over here. So right now I just connected my LearnWire YouTube channel right over here. And then we have X right here where you can see Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, Pinterest, Threads, Reddit, and Snapchat. So they've got all the ones that I would personally use, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, and Pinterest, but then they also have Threads, Reddit, and Snapchat is coming soon. So, or Reddit's coming soon as well, but they have Pinterest. I always like to see that. So you just go in here, you click the button and you connect that right there. Okay. So they have all the docs, the settings, and then API keys right over here as well. So this is where you're going to get your APIs for MCP, API, OpenAI, OpenClaw, AI agent, N8N, and this is where you're going to get use this key with the REST API MCP, right? So you can actually use the power of Mallary inside of those others. So that's the difference. You're using Mallary as a connector to be able to go and do different things with your social media, which is to put it on automation, basically. So, which is really, really great. All right. So now I want to show you. So you'll come back over here and you'll go into Claude, right? And then you'll go over here into customize, and then you'll go into the connectors, and you can see we have Mallary right over here, and it's not connected, but this is the web. So we're going to use this on the web. They also have a plugin coming out soon in the next week or two. The plugin will work with Claude Code, but right now we're going to be testing out Mallary AI with just the regular chat and the MCP, if that makes sense. Okay. So we're going to go connect this real quick. Then it'll come in here, and this will allow Claude to use Mallary to read Mallary data. So you can view posts, comments, analytics, profiles, platforms, all that, publish social media posts. So you can publish from here. You can reply to comments, post replies to comments on your connected social accounts. And this is the one that I'm the most interested in, because this right here kind of separates this from any other tool that I've used, where this is going to be able to use Claude and reply to comments inside of Claude using the Mallary MCP, which is really, really fantastic. So you could manage all of those. Let's say you're connected to all 10 of those platforms. You could actually manage your social media and reply all in one chat dashboard, which is Claude, which is cool. So you have manage Mallary settings here and then stay connected. So I'm going to go ahead and allow access, continue with the setup real quick. Okay, perfect. So this is what will end up happening. So you saw that little tiny error message. That is totally fine. I was thinking that I may have had the incorrect latest version of the MCP, but no, it definitely worked. So they have all the instructions right over here for all these different platforms on this page right here, which is great. Then you can just come over here and then is the Mallary MCP connected properly? Yes, Mallary is connected and working. Here's what I am seeing on your default profile. So it did pick up that we have Twitter and we have LearnWire YouTube channel. All right. And then these ones are the ones that are not connected, right? So if you're planning to post any of the disconnected ones, so can you find the last 10 comments on my LearnWire videos that have not been responded or replied to? And let's see if it can do this for us. Okay, so what it's saying is Mallary can only see comments on posts published through Mallary itself, not your whole channel history. So what you would do is you would start using Mallary to create all your posts, right? And you could actually create posts right over here. So let's just go and post something. Okay, so can you create a post for X about my latest video here? And then what we'll do is we'll go and get our video, and then let's put that in right there, and we'll go like this. Okay, so we have the direct review angle, curiosity hook right here, and the problem focused. So we have curiosity hook, new review right there, video creation, channel, automation, boom, right there. Okay, so then we're good. Go with the curiosity hook. Now publish this for me. And let's see if we can actually, so it created the post, it found the post, and then it also is going to go and create or schedule a social media post, right? So this is the power of using Mallary, is that you're going to be able to use the MCP. Now, remember, as you start using this, if this ends up being the tool of choice, then of course it only gets better and better, because now you'll be able to start replying to all your comments and stuff when you're using Mallary as your scheduler and poster, which is really cool. We're posting to social media while in Claude, which is actually fantastic. So publish to X, and here is the post. Let's go take a look and see. I'll open the link up. And it actually did post. And there we go, right here, boom. It has 2 views, 8:11 a.m. and there's 8:12 right there. So that literally posted right there. So just so you know, you can use Mallary to actually schedule your videos in post, and that's where you'd be able to have this on complete autopilot. So you'd have to go and try this out, but it does give you full instructions on how to upload a video and publish it from Mallary. You do give you get permission to actually create posts and all that when you approve the MCP. So you could actually schedule the video there. Then if that happens, then you would actually be able to reply to any comments, which is actually pretty dang cool. Now let's do something kind of tricky here. I'm going to try. So create my next X posts and on these videos, and then schedule them, one for each day starting tomorrow. So I'm going to go and gather some more videos and we'll be right back. Okay, so I just went and gathered 5 more videos from my LearnWire channel, and I said, create my next X posts on these videos, and then schedule them, one for each day starting tomorrow. And let's go see. And I'm actually going to change this. I'm on 4.7, but let's go ahead and move the model up to, we'll use Opus 4.8. No, we'll use Opus 5 for now. And I'm going to say go, and then it's going to go and start creating this for us, and we'll be right back. So now you can see it's working, it's picturing, it's going to be brainstorming. And then right here, it's using Mallary to create the post. So drafting all 5 with the curiosity hook style, then scheduling 9 a.m. Mountain Time each day. So it's going to literally run your social media on autopilot, which is actually really cool. And using Claude, it may even be able to go to my LearnWire channel and find like my last 5 videos, or find 5 random videos from my last or whatever, and then go and create. So this is actually super cool. All 5 are queued at 9 a.m., right? So we have this right here, AI agent build my sales funnel. So we have those are scheduled out right there. One thing worth flagging, August 20 and 21 are both flute videos. So it's 2 flute promos on consecutive days. If that feels repetitive, no. Also, the Viral Sky post mentions their scheduler being underdeveloped, which is fair critique. So it literally read some of the transcript or something like that from our videos as well, which is nuts. So we do have those. Let's go in, and it says all 5 are queued. So let's go back into Mallary, and we'll just go to dashboard. It looks like they already came in there without even switching screens or refreshing. They literally came in here, and now you have this right over here. So August 19th. So we're going to go into the August 20th, right? Here's the one we just posted a minute ago. And then here's this right here. August 20th, I gave an AI agent 1 sentence about my offer. It came back with a full sales funnel, landing page copy, and whole thing. And then it gives that right there. And this is where it's going to automatically schedule. So all these posts are running on autopilot. I didn't have to do anything other than a short prompt in Claude. This is actually fantastic. Let me know if you guys have seen other software like this. This is pretty nuts right here. You can literally just go into Claude and say, hey, read all these posts for me, do the work, and it literally goes out there and just schedule these. So now you have autopilot going out right here. Now I'm very interested in like Instagram and what I could do with Instagram to get all this scheduled automatically for me as well. Super, super cool stuff. So if you want to try out Mallary right over here and get this really cool AI tech in your hands, you can try it out for 14 days free trial. And then they also have plans starting at $12 a month. The link will be below. I was highly, highly impressed with this tool right here. Again, they're going to have the plugin. This was the MCP that we tested today. They're going to have a plugin coming out in the weeks ahead that will allow you to use Mallary with Claude Code as well and do a lot of cool things inside of Claude Code. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.